Guys, it's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. Today I'll be sharing with you the tips and tricks on how to trade the US30. But without wasting much of your time, please guys, if you're new to this channel and if you have not subscribed, please click the like, subscribe and notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Let's dive into the charts. Grab your pen and paper. Let's go. I'm looking at the chart, guys. Always remember to start from higher time frame. This is the most important trick that I will tell you guys, because you must always remember that the bigger picture is the most important one that will show you the overall move that's going to happen. So if you just analyze on shorter time frames, you'll be just scalping, but it's very much important if you are scalping using the longer time frame, the larger one, so that you get to notice where the bigger moves are. With simple terms, I'll just start with just showing you guys the simplicity of analyzing the US30. As you know that in a time frame you will have in a chart you have something which is a push, impulse to the upside, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, and then you have something, and in most cases you have a double top, and then now you have this, but before I go further, let me show you what would have happened now. Here we'll be having a new downtrend. Always remember, sometimes it doesn't come in a book format, guys. You might find this testing this high, sometimes something like this testing this high, and then something similar to this, then you have this. So now you can see here we're having a downtrend, but we started having an uptrend, so always take into account. Okay, now let's go to our chart. I'm gonna start with weekly just to see where we are on the market. Okay, so now you can see we are having a previous move. This was a bigger correction, but then the overall is an impulse. So something like this, you can see, you can take it here, and then now this will be a correction, then expecting a further impulse that will surpass this high. We pass this, but remember we are not trading on high, on weekly time frame. So let's start to see how this can be distinguished. We can take this as our lowest, and then take this as well. See where the market will give me the most precision for tuning. So you can see here we are around this level, above the 50% retracement. Okay, so I have my bigger structure. So now we're gonna go internally. Let's go to daily. You can see on daily we have a similar structure. You can see here what was rejected is something of this kind. You can take this as well. You can see we had a move having this type. Okay. Then we had this, and then double bottom and push. So with this one, we are actually just put it here, because I know sometimes when I use candles, some people tend to not understand it correctly. So you see what we are having here, we had a double bottom, and then here you can almost see that we are expecting a move to the upside, and eventually come to this high. The break of this will have to come to this high. But here, the overall break of this, our last TP, listen to me, our last TP. So you eventually have TPs in between. So this is our last TP for this move, and then this is our last TP when the break of this. So currently you would have TPs in between here, TPs and this level. So okay, let's go. So now I'm having this type of, you can see we are still in a internal downtrend from the daily, but the bigger one, which is coming from the weekly, it's shown us that the market is in an uptrend. So this is what we call like a correction, but it's looking like a downtrend as well. So you have to know what are you trading and where you are in the market. So you can see here we had a very simple chart pattern showing us that we are indeed in a down, and then it retest. This was a retest. Let me show you. This was a retest. This was a retest. Then what it did, it pushed further up. Yeah, we have it around 61.8. So that's why I say it's most important. Always use your fib from the previous low and high. So start it from, if you're in an uptrend, you start it from the swing high going to the swing low backward. You start from swing low to the swing high. Start if it's an uptrend, this is how you draw it. Start if trend, this is how you draw it. This is an uptrend. Oops. Okay. Something like this. Okay. If you are uptrend, you draw it. Have this area. I like to take it to 78.6. So, and if you are in a downtrend, so this is an indication of showing you guys where we are. Need to retrace and go into the continuation. You can see we are having this type. So this is a downtrend, this is an uptrend. Voila, perfect. Okay, now let's look at this structure. We came to retest. This was a retest. This was a retest. But here we pushed it to the upside. So now we are anticipating it for it to push further and break this. But what can at most happen is possible that because bigger downtrend, it's possible that we can have this type of pattern. Stand. We go back till we complete this. But here, see, we had a double Now is to wait and see where the market is taking us. Don't wanna chase the market, we follow what the market is doing. So here we have supply. So the demand zone will be this one, and then here will be our supply. So it's possible that you can push further to the downside, or we break. So at the moment we are having two scenarios: can break, retest. So the decider will be around this level. So I can just do this. This will be the decider. So here we are here will be the decider. So this is what we are having on US30. I wish you guys a very productive blue week. See you on the flip side. If you'd like to learn directly from your Forex hero, click the link below. We have a massive discount for you guys. It's your favorite mentor, the one and only Forex hero. Peace.